Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn the division of history and the sources of history. Last class we already learned who are called historian, what is culture and parchment, manuscript, all this we have completed. And in today's class, the division of history. The history is divided into 3 periods. Okay, that we are going to discuss, and also we are going to see what are the sources of history. The sources of history are of 2 kinds, that is literary sources and archaeological sources. So we are going to see in details about the division of history and also sources of history in today's class. Division of history. Indian history is divided into 3 periods, namely ancient, medieval and modern periods. So tell me children, Indian history is divided into how many periods? 3 periods. Which are they? Ancient period, medieval period and modern period. Incidents which took place up to the 8th century AD come under ancient history. Incident which took place between 9th to the 17th century comes under medieval history, and those which took place from the 18th century till date come under modern history. So by seeing the picture only you can understand very clearly which period is called ancient period and which is called medieval and which is called modern, isn't it children? So incident which took place up to 8th century AD is called ancient period, and incident which took place between 9th and 17th century is called medieval period, and till today it is called modern period. From 18th century till today, okay, it is called modern period. Under the ancient history of India, we mainly study about Maurya and the Gupta rulers. Under medieval history of India, we mainly study about the Sultanate and the Mughal rulers. And under the modern history of India, we study about the British rule in India. So very clear to you, there are 3 periods of Indian history, that is ancient period, medieval period, modern period. Okay, till 8th century AD it is called ancient period. 9th to 17th century it is called medieval period, and from 18th century till today it is called a modern period. Okay, then again we saw under ancient period we study about Maurya and Gupta rulers. Under medieval history of India we mainly study about Sultanate and Mughal rulers, and under modern history of India we study about the British rule in India. I hope it is clear children. Next we are moving to sources of history. Historians depend on reliable sources in order to make a correct assessment of events. These sources of history are of 2 kinds. They are literary sources and archaeological sources. So tell me children then, which are the 2 kinds of sources of history. One is literary sources and another one is archaeological sources. Okay then, in today's class we have learned about three divisions of history, that is ancient, medieval and modern periods, and up to 8th century AD, ancient period, 9th to 17th century it is called medieval period, and from 8th century till date it is called a modern periods. Okay, and also we saw under ancient period we study about Maurya and Gupta rulers. Medieval history we study about Sultanate and Mughal rulers, and modern history of India we study about the British rule in India. And also we saw the sources of history are of two kinds, literary sources and archaeological sources. I hope today's class is very clear to you all children. Thank you.